over there. How about for the 515? Do we have any fans there? Oh. The crowd could be split too.
Come on, Jesse, let's go.
We're going to wait for this block to get into place. We are going to have a Showtime versus Robbie battle here in the vans. Loser goes to the grocery store and gets me some hot dogs. Flagman, are you ready? Capital Fair, are you ready for the last heat of the day? Let's count this down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's derby. They're gonna feel each other out here. Little love tap. Cassie spinning Robbie around. Robbie gonna duck in that corner. Jesse. Jesse with a swing and a miss. Robbie finding Jesse. Letting him know that he's here to party. Swing and a miss. Robbie finding Jesse once again. Jesse finding Robbie. Both drivers already looking for their next shot's gonna be. We got some experience in there. I just heard a tire go. Jesse putting in Robbie. Jesse giving Robbie a bump. Do you guys have a gas pedal in those vans? I'd like to see some carnage. A little love tap.
Come on, Jesse, hit him harder.
And Jesse may be pulling over to ask him how he's doing. What he wants for lunch? Nope, Robbie got fired up. Robbie spinning out of the way. Jesse trying to find him. We might have a battle on our hands now. Looking to pick a shot. Jesse pulling out of the way. Jesse on the hammer. Robbie looking to pick a shot. And he finds Jesse. Both drivers looking. Jesse with a flat left front. Driving right by Robbie. Robbie looking to spin around. Get out of the way. Looking to pick his next shot. He finds Jesse.
He's actually got a 2.
Robbie with a good shot on Jesse. Jesse finding Robbie. Robbie's van looking like we can just take it to the grocery store after the heat. A little back-to-back action. Robbie looking to put Jesse right in those blocks. Jesse said, nope. Good shot, Jesse, onto Robbie. We're going to have a little pushing match here. We're not playing tug of war, we are playing demolition derby. Robbie lining a shot up and he finds Jesse. He's gonna shove him right into those blocks. A little do-si-do action. Robbie finding Jesse again in the front end. Jesse finding Robbie. Showtime going forward, finding Robbie. Robbie coming back. There's a good shot. Little back-to-back action. Finding Jesse. Looking like they want to check out all the corners of the track. Robbie helping Jesse across the track. Let me escort you, fine sir. Jesse looking to find his shot. Robbie looking to pick his next shot. Jesse coming back, finding Robbie. Robbie looking like he's having an issue in the van. Jesse
Nail him hard.
turning that van around.
Nail him.
Showtime giving him a little tap.
I don't know. I would have hammered him.
The 515 sponsored by Crazy Dale Creations. Robbie Sharshake getting it fired up. He's sponsored by 417 RV. Which grocery getter is going to be the champion today? Robbie finding Jesse. Jesse giving him a forceful push. For those that may not remember, the B11 right now is your demo cross winner today, but he also likes to smash. Finding Jesse once again. He's looking to park Jesse on the blocks, maybe? Nope. Jesse coming back. They're having a little hug back there. Jesse finding Robbie. Robbie looking back to pick his next shot. Jesse looking to find Robbie in the front end. And a little poke.
Hit him harder. Nail him.
Robbie looking like he's having issues in the van. He's working his magic in there. Maybe he'll get him fired up again. Jesse shoving him against that block. Jesse making contact. Robbie having issues. Robbie waves off. He can't get her fired back up. Your winner, the 515. That's Jesse Showtime Schultz. He's sponsored by Crazy Dale Creations, and he's from South Horton.